So I tested turning the engine over, and what I hadn't anticipated, and I don't know why, is the tappets actually falling out. So these all came out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. I've actually taken them out now, and lots of oil came out as well. So I put a oil pan, can't quite see it, but underneath now, and I'm going to turn it over because the next thing I want to do is take the sump off. There we have the engine right way up, or the wrong way up, and then we're going to take off all of the bolts that sit around the sump. Quite sludgy in the bottom there. Yeah, feel small bits of metal and debris. So definitely feel it in there. Not good. So probably a good thing that we're rebuilding this. Yeah, bits of metal, swarf on the oil thing as well, oil pickup. I'm going to put this on the side with the gasket, place the gasket. Okay, so here we have the inside of our engine. Still quite a lot of oil in there, but as we go through we can get rid of some of that. The next job is to remove the oil pickup. So that looks like two 10mm bolts, or nuts even. This should just slide out there, and it also has a washer there. Okay, it's still got a bit of oil in it, so it'll drain out a little bit. Okay, now we're back round at the front of the engine, and here we have the centrifugal oil filter, and that's going to be the next thing that we take off. These are 10mm. bolts are out, so we can try and prise this off. And I need to be gentle because it is aluminium, I don't want to break it, but here we go. So when you take this off, because it's the centrifugal oil filter, you often have oil leakage. There we go, so we got some there. So got a oil catcher underneath. Actually, that's pretty clean, so that's good. See here, there is a film. There is a film. You can see, if you capture that, there's a film of rubbish there. So it's been a little while since this has been cleaned. Thought it looked cleaner than that, but just look at that thick, horrible debris on there. This will go in the parts cleaner and we'll get all that cleaned up nicely. And here's this is the gasket for the oil filter. You replace this when you remove it, so that's fine, we'll do that.